Hey guys, so I hope all of you are doing superb. So this will be a video where we'll be looking at a few swing trading picks for crypto for the next few trading sessions. So again, this will be focusing on breakout as well as reversal setups based on the current market cap and market structure. So first of all, let's have a look at the chart of Ethereum. So if you look at Ether chart on the monthly time frame, Ethereum has printed a bullish engulfing. So yep, this is looking good for now, and we can see a swift rally till around the mark of 4,700 in the upcoming few months. If you look at BTC, that is Bitcoin, we have we clearly don't see any kind of a bullish engulfing formation, but again the prices are trading closer to its all-time high in case of BTC. All right, so on a short-term basis Ethereum has performed way better, but on a higher time frame price action, BTC still looks pretty decent, right? So yep, the markets have been sideways for quite a while now, and let's now focus on a few swing trades that we can look forward to in the upcoming few trading sessions or in the upcoming few weeks that can give us some good ROI. So the first one is TR USDT, right? So Celestia is the one, that's what I'm talking about. So if you look on the daily time frame of Celestia, what you can see is the price has given a proper breakout and a retest of its short-term consolidation zone, and a closing above 11.6 preferably in the next few trading sessions will lead to a swift rally till 13.5 to 14, which happens to be its next few resistance zones. So again we are expecting a bullish round of movement on TIA USDT. The next one that we have on our list is ZEC. So ZEC again, it is clearly on a bullish structure. So the market has broken out its 200-day exponential moving average and is clearly consolidating above it, right? It's a good consolidation that we can look at on the charts. If you look on the maybe the 4 hours time frame, right, the markets are clearly in a sideways mode, and expect a liquidity hunt before the markets actually head higher in this case, right? So again, Zcash is also looking pretty good. Third that we have on our list is People USDT. This is more of a breakout setup where if you look on the 4 hours time frame or on the daily time frame, the markets are clearly on a bullish price structure and is seemingly going to head higher. It has given a breakout of its previous all-time high. It has consolidated and is again heading higher. So you can see good upside movement in the next few weeks in People USDT. So again, do not keep very large targets here. Keep a target till 0.2, which happens to be its all-time high, and again this is also a very good target of somewhere around 100%. Okay, so People USDT again on the higher time frame looks very good. The next one that we have on our list is, of course, the Floki USDT. So Floki again on daily time frame, it's looking quite good. It has touched its all-time high. It has come down a bit, and now it is again seemingly heading higher, right? So again, just wait for some momentum to come in on the lower time frames before actually taking an entry. Okay, we have also shared a call on PEEP USDT and is actually doing very well. So if you look on the PEEP USDT daily chart, you can clearly see it has performed very well, right? So yep, it all depends upon, after all, the BTC and the Ethereum's price action. But again, these are a few setups that are expected to do very well in the next few days or weeks. Okay, so trade accordingly, use proper risk management, trade with a stop loss. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video.